In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of any car that you don't want inside of your garage. So all you have to do is open up your phone and you want to go ahead and fill up the garage the car you do not want anymore is inside of. So you can go ahead and use the free Elegies. So just go ahead and go over to two door and then sort by price, and we're going to go over to the free Elegy. Now we're just going to go ahead and fill this up inside of our garage just like how I am. So here's one. And now here is the second. So we're just going to go ahead and fill it up. Now that our garage is full, you just keep doing that till your garage is full. You want to go ahead and go out of your garage and steal a street car. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This is super simple. We're just going to go ahead and take a street car. So it could be any street car. It doesn't matter which one. We're just going to go ahead and take one just like this. So just go ahead and take it. And then once we do go ahead and take it, you just want to go ahead and drive it into your garage. So we're just going to drive it in, and it's going to say garage full, click OK. Now what you do, you're going to replace it over the car that you want to get rid of. So we're going to go ahead and let's say we want to get rid of this scramjet, right? We're going to go ahead and click scramjet. Now we have this street car here, right? That scramjet is completely gone. And since this is a street car and this does not have insurance, we could just go ahead and drive out just like this. And then we could go ahead and basically blow this up. And once this is blown up, it will be destroyed, and that slot now is empty, and you did get rid of your car that you did not want anymore inside of GTA 5 Online. So that is how you do this. So yeah, guys, that's it. Consider subscribing, as it really does help support the channel, especially if this did help you, and leaving the video a like.